Let's start the vlog. Hey yo, what's up guys, welcome to another vlog. So this vlog would be a bit different because I'm in Melbourne now, but I have a story to tell you, and it's, I don't know if it's a good story or bad, but I have a story to tell you guys. Okay, so here is the deal. So I was crossing the border from Bolivia to Peru, and when I went to the Peruvian embassy, they told that where's your visa in your passport? And I was like, when I inquired about my visa in Melbourne, they told that I don't need a visa. So I was like, yeah, I don't need a visa. Like, that's what I was told in Melbourne. And then they're like, no, you need a visa. I was like, but it's not my fault. Like, someone told me that I don't need a visa. So like, I called in the embassy like 3-4 times and it told that I don't need a visa. So I was like, okay, so what am I gonna do now? And then they're like, you have to go back from here to La Paz, which is like 300 to 400 kilometers. And you have to take like not 200 kilometers, and you have to take this overnight bus to go to that place, and then you apply for the visa, and then when you get your tourist visa, then you come again to the border, and then you can cross. And I was like, how long it's gonna take? And then they were like, oh, it's just gonna take 2 days. I was like, okay, 2 days, no problem. So I went back to La Paz that night. I had no idea what the fuck was going on, and next day was Sunday. I didn't do anything. Monday, I was waiting for Monday. I went to the embassy, and then they were like, I told that, okay, so it's gonna come in 2 days, right, my visa? Then they're like, no, it's gonna take at least 6 to 10 working days. And I was like, what? I had no clue what the fuck I'm gonna do in La Paz, in a completely different country where I don't know anyone, where I don't know the language. That was not a good feeling at all. But like, I was feeling shit for first day, then I was like, what to do, and then I was like, okay. So I decided to do like different activities in La Paz and just make the most out of it, so that when I look back, I can make this video that, okay, yeah, I did like so many things, you know. And yeah, that's what I did. And you know what, I'll just show you all the videos, what all things I did in La Paz. Start working out, enjoy the video. I'll catch you after you're done watching the video. How does that sound? Yeah? No? No response? Okay. While I was doing all these adventures, I totally forgot that I'm stuck in this country. And then one day I got a call from Peruvian embassy that I got my visa. Finally got my visa. And at this point I was not even sure that do I want to go or no, because I really fell in love with La Paz. And while I was leaving, I had this smile on my face, and I was very grateful for whatever things happened throughout my journey. And I'm very excited for what's gonna come next.
Ooh.